In the name of Allah the Almighty. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 11th. Our subject is E-ship, entrepreneurship, and our today's topic is role of entrepreneurship in economic development of India. Dear students, you know that entrepreneurship, it is the ability of creating new enterprises. Entrepreneurship plays an important role in the economic development of the country. It creates wealth for the nation. It provides livelihood by creating job opportunities. It can help in economic development in the following ways. Number one, large scale production. Entrepreneurship produces goods on large scale in order to satisfy the demands of the people. Large scale production is possible at cheap rates due to the economics in production and distribution. Second, improvement in standard of living. It is due to entrepreneurship the standard of living of people improves. Increased production of goods means more consumption and better standard of living. Better income and purchasing power will help people in having a better life. Third point, creating employment opportunities. The entrepreneurs not only get self-employed but also create employment opportunities for others. सिर्फ अपने लिए रोजगार खुद रोजगार तलाश नहीं करते, खुद रोजगार अपने आप को रोजगार नहीं देते, बल्कि दूसरे लोग भी इसमें उनके लिए भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज पैदा कर सकते हैं. The higher the rate of growth of E-ship, the higher will be the employment opportunities. Fourth point is national income. National income consists of the goods and services produced in a country and imported. The goods and services are produced to meet the demand of growing population within the country and to meet the demands of export. More and more entrepreneurs are needed, which will result in increase in the national income. Fifth point, increase in the government income. The development of entrepreneurship brings more tax revenues to the government. The government is able to spend more money on the welfare of the society. Next point is creating innovation. An entrepreneur introduces new ideas and new combination of product factors. He always tries to introduce new techniques of production of goods and services. Hence, the growth and development of the E-ship is inevitable in the economic development of the country. It has been well said, or we can say it is right to say that economic development is the effect for which entrepreneurship is the cause. That is all for today. Goodbye.